Please take notes. While trading can be rewarding, it comes with high level of risk and you can lose all your funds. And also note that videos on this channel are for educational purposes only. None is intended as investment advice. Please do your own research and also consult your financial advisor if you need one. Thank you. When you receive a trading signal and is running already, and then you are told to adjust your SL to either break even or to a profitable level, that means that you are to adjust your stop loss order to entry. So break even means adjust it to entry where you entered, and then or adjust it to a profitable level. You are told the exact price to adjust it to. What it means is that even if for any reasons, because the market is quite unpredictable, it doesn't matter how well you've analyzed it or how good you are as a trader, the market has a mind of its own. It can change its mind at any time. So what if, yeah, you were profitable and you were targeting, let's say, 200 pips, and then you have done 100 pips already, the trade has done 100 pips already, and so you want to ensure that you have erased your risk, because I call it risk erasure. So, and you want to move your stop loss to entry or to a profitable level. Say you want to lock in 50 pips out of the 100 you have made already, and hoping that it continues going in your direction to head up to 200 pips. How do you do that? Okay, for instance, this is one of our trading platforms. Okay, so here you see this. We say if you just entered at 322, you should be on over 25 pips already. So now the question here says TP at so and so price, this 3229 smashed for 100 pips profit, heading to TP2 at 3232 for another 100 pips. Move SL to 3223 for any open positions. Now, if you look at this, if you punch here to go to this signal, this is it here. It said buy at this price, 3219, SLS 3215, ATP 3229. Then another one was to, if you are late to this, you can still buy at 3222, SLS 3215, still TP 3232. All right, so a question came up. So the question here says, okay, would you kindly guide me on how to modify the SL? All right, so now let's quickly deal with that. Okay, so let's quickly head over that. Did I do the introduction? Well, hello there and welcome back to your favorite channel. And in this video, I'm going to guide you through adjusting your SL to either break even or to a profitable price level. Like if you see here, you can see that there are open trades here. Okay, so there are open trades here and there's a likelihood it's heading towards the TP, but then you can never be too sure, right? So anything can happen and you want to adjust it. Only that I'm really careful about adjusting this one right now, this particular trade right now, but I'm going to adjust it anyway to teach what I want to teach and probably change it back. I hope it doesn't take me out before I change it back in any case. All right, so let's quickly head over to the trade. Look at the trade here now. You see, he had already done over 80 pips. Well, this one has already done over 80. If you look at this, he had already reached, let's see this, he had already reached this price level at that's somewhere around here. That's around 215. So 215, and for a trade that was entered at let's look at this one at 204. That's like 110 pips already. All right, that's done 110 pips. Why this has done 120 pips already before it retraced back to this level. So you can see how far it has retraced already, meaning you can even get back to where you entered and even put your trades on the negative. And you want to avoid being put on the negative because you are not sure what will happen. So how do you do that? You just adjust it by going over here using your smartphone. You've come here, so these are where you have your trades. This is where you have your trades rather. So let's quickly pick any one of these. Let's pick this one. Let's so as this is, you just now, how did I do it? Just push down, press it down with just one finger, not too hard to break your smartphone screen. No. So now you can see the options here: close order, new order, modify order, chart. So you just tap on modify order. You see that now. So if you check up here, modify order number, this buy 0.01 XAU USD at 3203.33. That's where we bought it. So if you want to adjust, let's see, you want to adjust it to break even. So I'll just click on the SL side, which is the left side. So I delete this. So I now put 3203, and then it's at 3203.33. So 33. You see that now? So I'll just tap on modify order. Okay, but if I think I want to secure some profit, I can also go again and do it here and say, okay, let's secure some 200 pips out of that. I will 20 pips rather, some 20 pips out of that. So we can say 25.33. So that way now we have secured 20 pips. If it comes against us, we have locked in 20 pips from that. Do you understand? But then look at this. So it means that if he comes back against me, against the position I've taken, rather not against me because it's against the position, not me. So if I lose any trade there, it's not against me, it's the position. So you can see that if you can see where the SL is now above the entry level. So even if it comes back, all right, and hit this SL, there will be no loss. Instead, the trade I would have locked in 20 pips from that. But what do I still want to do? From what I can see here on this chart, the market is still volatile, and I still think that it's gonna still go up, right? But what if it still return back there first? So that's why I want to um, uh, remove this. But why would you want to remove it? You have erased the risk. So let's even move this one also to entry level. If it comes against and takes it out, there's no problem. Okay, you find another opportunity. It's as simple as that. Okay, so we raise the risk completely. So for one of them, we have locked in uh, 20 pips. Then the second other one, let's see this one now. We entered at for okay 0.04, so we can actually make it 0.4, that's 3205.4, so that it will be also 20 pips for that one too. So if it comes back there, you have locked in 20 pips for each of them. You see that? So that's just what it is. So that's how to do that. If you also want to adjust your TP, of course, you can also adjust your TP. For example, now you can decide that you want to adjust the TP, all right, from where it is to higher or lower. You just tap there and adjust it. So that's how it is done. All right. Hope that this makes sense. Okay, go ahead and like the video if it makes sense to you. All right. Leave a comment, maybe a question, and let us know what you would have us treat in the next video. Please subscribe to this video also, and to this channel rather, and also smash the notification bell to get notified, so that once we drop the next video for you, you'll be the very first to get notified. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you. Subscribe, like, comment, and follow Ifeanyi for more updates on Facebook at Naira for Gold, LinkedIn at Coach Ifeanyi. Stay profitable, stay focused. See you next week. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you.